In this video, I'm showing you how to make a powerful natural face mask using just 4 simple ingredients: Vaseline, natural honey, lemon orange, and vitamin C. This DIY mask is perfect for glowing, smooth, and healthy-looking skin. Here is how each ingredient works. Vaseline seals in moisture, softens dry skin, and helps protect your skin barrier. Natural honey, a natural humectant that draws moisture into the skin. It also has antibacterial properties to fight acne and inflammation. Lemon orange, rich in natural vitamin C and citric acid, it helps brighten the skin, fade dark spots, and gently exfoliate. Vitamin C boosts collagen production, evens out skin tone, and fights dullness for a natural glow. Benefits of this mask: deep hydration, brighter and more even skin tone, natural glow, smooth and soft texture. Give it a try and let me know how your skin feels after using it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips.
Dances like morning.